Welcome children in bio class. Today I am going to teach you disorders of respiratory system. There are many disorders of respiratory system. In that, some most common disorders are emphysema, asthma, pneumoconiosis, and allergic respiratory disorders. So first you see emphysema. So you have to know what is emphysema. Emphysema is one of the obstructive respiratory disease. In this disease, lung tissue are extensively damaged. The walls between adjacent alveoli break down. The alveolar duct dilates. There is loss of interstitial elastic tissue. The lungs become distended, and after that it may lead to hypoxia, pulmonary hypertension, and maybe heart failure. So what are the reasons why we are suffering from emphysema, or anyone is suffering from emphysema in which lung tissues are damaged, wall between adjacent alveoli break down, alveolar ducts dilate. So cigarette smoking is the main reason for it. Those who are taking cigarette, they are suffering from emphysema. Due to cigarette smoking, there is acute inflammation of bronchi and lungs. There is coughing, and the supporting elastic tissue of the lung, elastic tissue present in the lung, and it is supported by an enzyme, that is antiproteolytic enzyme, alpha-1 antitrypsin. So due to smoking, there is deficiency of it. So when there is these things, then persons are suffering from emphysema. If want to protect from this disease, then have to stop cigarette smoking. Next is asthma. So asthma is a chronic inflammatory disorder. It produces sporadic narrowing of airways. You know, air is passing through the bronchi, bronchiole, alveolar duct. But in the asthma, these airways get narrow. So there is partial closing or completely it get closed. Bronchioles. So when it will get closed, so there is coughing. The symptoms of the asthma is coughing, difficulty in breathing, and wheezing. The patient has trouble during expiration. There is excessive secretion of mucus, and this mucus may clog the bronchi and bronchiole. So mucus which has secreted in excess, so that mucus block the airways, air passage. In severe condition, the inflammation continues, and there may be death of the bronchial epithelial cells. The main cause of asthma is allergen. So allergic agents are pollen, house dust, mites, flecks of sloughed off animal skin, molds, emotional upset, cold air, cigarette smoke. So these are the allergens which are causing asthma. So those who are suffering from the asthma, they have to be away from these allergic agents. Next is occupational respiratory disorder. So this occupational respiratory disorder, it comes in two categories. One is pneumoconiosis. In that the damage is done directly by the dust of the materials inhaled. And second is allergic disease. In this material inhaled and it harm indirectly. So if directly inhaled material is harming, so that is pneumoconiosis. If it is causing allergy and allergic disease, so that is harming indirectly. So what is the pneumoconiosis? When organic or inorganic pollutants, harmful dust particles which are released from the stone, coal, metal or asbestos, these particles are inhaled. These particles reach into the lungs. Then it will cause inflammation in the lung, and lung tissue become thickened and inflexible due to inhaled particles. Lung tissue become thickened and inflexible. So this condition is known as fibrosis. So it will develop persistent coughing. It will destruct the lung tissue. So this condition is very serious. There are different types of pneumoconiosis. So these different types of pneumoconiosis name was given on the basis of the dust which are causing, the particles which are causing. Generally, coal miners, those who are working in the coal mines, they are taking the particles of coal, so they are suffering from pneumoconiosis from coal. So coal workers are suffering from pneumoconiosis of coal because they are inhaling a large quantity of dust, coal dust, and these coal dust deposited in the lungs inside the alveoli, and due to this there may be symptoms of emphysema or there may be concurrent chronic bronchitis. The persons who are working in the rock, means those who are doing the work where is the minings or there is too much rock dust, hard rock materials are there. So in that their rock materials, sand particles, silica particles are inhaled. So they are suffering from silicosis. Their disease is called silicosis. Silica particles accumulate in the alveoli. These particles are ingested by microphages, but when excess of these particles are, they are going to store, accumulate in the alveoli, and after the accumulation, persons are suffering from prone to infection by tuberculosis of the lungs. There is destruction of lung tissue. It may lead to pulmonary hypertension. Next is asbestosis. So if asbestos fibers, asbestos miners and workers or inhaling asbestos fibers, and these fibers inhaled reach into the lungs, and it will cause lung cancer. But those who are inhaling fiber cotton, those who are working in the cotton industries, so they are suffering from biocenosis because fibers of cotton are inhaled. These fibers cause bronchial irritation and emphysema may develop. It may cause hypoxia, pulmonary hypertension, allergic respiratory disorder. There are some allergen like dust, irritant gas, animal, vegetable matter. These are causing allergic respiratory disorder. Allergic disease is due to inhaling of chemicals or dust, irritating gas. The occupational asthma can be treated by anti-allergy drugs.